Hello friends, I'm Dr. Amita Kaur. Today we will talk about a very common problem that is psoriasis. It is although common but it is a complex disorder. Psoriasis is an autoimmune problem means that the defense system of our body mistakenly attacks the healthy skin cells causing skin cells to multiply too rapidly, too quickly, resulting in thick red patches on which silvery scales formed. बॉडी के स्किन सेल्स नॉर्मल तरीके से डिवाइड न होकर तेजी से डिवाइड होने लगते हैं और थिक रेड पैचेस फॉर्म जिसके ऊपर पपड़ी सिल्वर स्केल्स की जमने लगती है जो धीरे धीरे शेड्स भी होने लगती है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सोराइसिस इज नॉट इन्फेक्शियस. ये छुआछूत की बीमारी नहीं है. इट इज नॉट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. So let's talk about the symptoms of psoriasis. There may be red patches formed with silver scales. It is mainly found in the fold areas like elbow areas, knees areas, scalp area, lower back and trunk areas. There may be itching on the skin, burning sensation on the skin present. Dry skin with bleeding is present. Nail changes also occur. There may be pitting, discoloration, crumbling of nails present in the psoriasis. So, what are the causes of psoriasis? कारणों की बात करें. First is genetics. If the psoriasis have run in the families. If both parents have psoriasis, then kids have 100% chances to have get it. There may be stress, which worsens the psoriasis. Certain infections like viral infection trigger it, bacterial infection triggers the psoriasis. It is also found generally those people have vitamin D level low, they may have psoriasis. In psoriasis, generally joint pain may be present in some cases. 1 in 3 cases of psoriasis, there may be psoriatic arthritis, means joint pain is also present with psoriasis. So, let's talk about the type of psoriasis. First is plaque psoriasis. In this, red scaly patches formed on the skin. It is most common type, we can found it. Then we have gate psoriasis which affect the scalp area which covered with silvery white patches and hair loss is present with it. Then we have inverse psoriasis which affect the skin folds. Then pustular psoriasis where with red patches pus is also formed. So what are the management? First of all, you have to moisturize your skin regularly. You have to eat diet rich in nutrients, rich in antioxidant food. Eat well-balanced diet. My advice is that if you notice your skin psoriasis worse after eating certain kind of food, you should try to avoid these food. Mainly food, processed food, canned foods. You should limit your alcohol and try to quit smoking. Then in homeopathic, we have very effective medicines which can treat the psoriasis from root cause. होम्योपैथिक दवाइयाँ जड़ से psoriasis को खत्म करती हैं. These medicines treat the immune system of our body or they correct the immune system of our body. There are various medicines on the basis of history of the patient. But few medicines are based on the symptoms. You can take it. First is arsenic album. If you have psoriasis with red patches formed with silvery scales, it also works well in scalp psoriasis, which increase in winter season. Then we have Graphitis 30 when they have rough dry skin around joints and honey-like liquid comes out and blood is also present in it. Then you can take Graphitis 30. If you have psoriasis of hees and deep cuts is present in the hees, you can take Petroleum 30 and Mesothelium 30 is for if you have psoriasis and pus is formed in below the red patches. You can take Mesothelium 30. If you have itching in your whole body in psoriasis, in psoriatic lesions, there may be itching and burning sensation present and you have craving for sweets. You can take Sulfur 30. These medicines cure the psoriasis from the root cause. So, thank you. For more information, you can subscribe my channel.